Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to vlog how I went to the farm, poultry farm. So let's go, follow along. Wow, isn't this chickens amazing? This chicken you're watching are called broilers. They are raised mainly for meat, not for eggs. And hear me well, they can be ready for the table in just 35 days. Yeah, 35 days. There is, however, a misconception about broilers among many people that they are pumped with chemicals or just to make them grow. And if you believe that, oh, you are wrong, very, very wrong. Why do they grow so fast? They are bred that way. They are bred to grow fast and eat large amounts of feed. If you don't know, hear this. A 4 weeks old broiler eats more than a 20 weeks old hen. Did you get it now? So what are you waiting for? Go get some crispy fried broiler chicken and savor the juicy taste in your mouth. Can't you see they're amazing? It was fantastic. I really enjoyed making video with them. Wow. Alright, the right farm. We're leaving the farm now. Thank you very much for watching. I'm sure you love what you see. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell whenever our video comes up. Sorry for that. See you guys later. Bye.